Heat mats can help January sowing in the UK, or can it completely ruin it? Welcome to Gardening with Ben. We're going to be talking about heat mats today. Now, more and more people are buying heat mats to start the seedlings off. Now, they can be amazing things to start the seeds off, especially if you wanted to start them off early in January, February time. They can be amazing. Now, me personally, I wait until March when I do it all naturally with the heat from outside and the natural light. And yeah, heat mats can cause issues. Now, the issues that they can cause is that others seeds don't always need heat to get them growing. Now, certain seeds out there do need the heat. The seeds that need heat are chillies, peppers, aubergines. Onions sometimes need a bit of heat to get them growing, but the more exotic fruit need the heat to get them germinated and to get them growing. They need about 25 to 30 degrees to get them germinated. Now, heat mats can add that extra heat and get them germinating pretty fast. Like normally a pepper or chili seed will take about 21 to 28 days to germinate. Mine took a long time. Now, I have not got mine on a heat mat. I've got them on my windowsill in my flat, and they took a long time to germinate. They're only just germinated now. I sowed them about Boxing Day, so yeah, they took a long time to germinate, but they started off and they'll grow pretty strong. Now, heat mats, obviously, because they're warmer, they'll dry the compost out a lot faster, so you need to keep an eye on watering them and keeping them wet and getting enough water to get them growing. And sometimes, obviously, you don't have as much control of the plant because of the heat from it. And some people think the heat will help the plants grow, but obviously they need the natural light as well for them to grow strong and not grow leggy. Leggy means that they can grow long and thin and they end up stretching and growing really badly. So that is the reason why I start all my seeds off in March rather than using a heat mat or artificial lighting, because it can affect the growth of the plant. Unless you've done a lot of research and watched videos on how to grow stuff on heat mats, they can cause issues. And obviously they cost money to run. They're not that expensive, I don't believe, but make sure you just use them for the plants that actually need the heat to get them germinated. Obviously, yes, it's fantastic that they start growing a lot faster, but unless you've got a proper setup with the heat and perfect lighting, they won't grow well at all. So let me know if you've got a heat mat and what you're growing on it, and if you've had any issues growing on heat mats or with artificial lighting. Make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date when we're sowing all our seeds in March time. Until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep growing. Gardening with Ben, everyone.